Hello friends, welcome to Boom Quiz. How many drinks have you had? Which is your favorite? Today we come to the challenge, Guess the Drink by Emoji. We prepared 50 questions and you have 7 seconds to find the answer in 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. Each correct answer will get you 1 point. Don't forget to like and subscribe Boom Quiz channel. Ready? Go! Let's start with the easy level. Can you guess this drink by Emoji? That's right, the drink is Dr. Pepper. Do you know which drink this is? Amazing! The correct answer is Monster Energy. This is hot drink. Can you guess this is? Awesome, it's Grimace Shake. Soda water is very popular. Can you guess? It's 7-Up. Do you this drink by Emoji? It's milk chocolate. How about this one? Dark chocolate is correct answer. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Which is your favorite drink? Leave a comment about your favorite drink. Can you guess this drink by Emoji? That's right, the drink is lemonade. Guess the drink by the emojis? Red Bull is correct. Very simple, isn't it? What is this? Apple juice is the correct answer. How about this drink? It's green tea. Do you know this drink by Emoji? The answer is wine. A very popular drink, did you know? Beer is the correct answer. Look at the emojis. Can you tell me the name of the drink? Hot chocolate. Next, what drink is this? Fanta is the correct answer. Do you know which drink this is? Amazing. The correct answer is black tea. These icons are so cute. Do you know the name of the drink? Lipton is the correct answer. Now, let's start with the medium level. What drink will be next? Americano is the correct answer. Do you know this drink? Wow, it's Mountain Dew. How about this one? It's milkshake. Can you guess this drink by emoji? That's right. The drink is ice cream sundae. How about this one? Canada Dry is correct answer. What drinks have you had? Canadian Dry or Americano? If you've had all of them, please comment below. I'm sure few people might know this drink. Capri Sun is correct answer. Do you know this drink by emoji? Minute Maid is right. Can you guess this drink by emoji? Amazing. The drink is dark coffee. Can you guess this drink by emoji? That's right. The drink is fruit punch. The hardest challenges have come with special drinks. Are you ready? Which drink is this? Snapple is correct. Can you guess this drink by emoji? Amazing. The drink is lemongrass tea. Do you know this drink? Root beer is correct. Which is your favorite princess drink? Root beer or Snapple? I'd rather Snapple. How about you? Please leave a comment. How about this one? Long Island iced tea is right. Can you guess what drink this is? Sunkissed is the right answer. Can you guess which drink? Ginger ale. What is your favorite drink? Leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Did you have fun? Let us know your score in the comments. We hope to see you again soon. To watch more interesting videos, click on 2 videos that appear on the screen. Bye!